In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code that goes to a communal wedding album. So all of your guests can upload photos, they can all see them, and they can all download them. This is very easy, and you can do this for free using online tools. So what I recommend you do is Google search for Google Photos. Google Photos allows you to create an album and then invite people to the album, and it's great because most people have Google. Search for Google Photos, then go ahead and click on the first link, and it then will take you into Google Photos. By default, if you haven't used this before, you'll have no photos, but you may have some in here. We're going to create an album though, which is going to be separate to your photos. So click on Albums, then go ahead and click Create Album in the top right hand corner, and then call this album whatever you want. Everyone's going to be able to see this, so probably put the names of the people who are getting married. Then you can go ahead and click on Add Photos. Now, because you're creating this on computer and it's probably before your wedding, you're not going to have any photos yet, so you can go ahead and exit out of this, go back, and you should then see it in your albums. So here it is, Wedding Tutorial. What we can do, we can click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then click Share Album. From here, now we can go ahead and click Create Link and then Create Link again. And it's going to generate a link which we can go ahead and copy. It's also going to take us into the album. What we need to do is click on the share icon. Then just make sure you've got collaborative checked and link sharing checked. That's going to mean anyone that scans the QR code, which we create in a second, will be able to actually gain access and upload photos. So you've got the link copied already. If you haven't, you can just go back to this link icon and then click copy link. Now we need to create the QR code, which is going to take people into this album so they can start uploading photos. To do that, just type in QR code generator into Google. There are many free ones that you can use. I'm going to use this one here, qr.io. You can use any though, but just follow along. Then make sure you've got link selected and go ahead and paste in the Google Photos album into this link box here. You can then customize this QR code, but I'm just going to download the basic one. You may need to create a free account to do this, which I'm just going to do now. Now it will give you the option of how you want to download your QR code. I'm just going to choose PNG. And there you go, we've now got the QR code downloaded. So here is the QR code, and we can go ahead and now add this to our designs. Now when people scan this QR code from their phone, it's either going to load up Google Photos if they've got it downloaded, or it will load up a web version of Google Photos where they're going to be able to upload photos and see all of the collaborative photos which have been uploaded.